That's the lift. We've just come out of that lift and we've gone across right up there. You walk down that one and then you go down that one, and the lift is up there as well. And then we are now on the south bank of London. Going to the engine rooms. Yeah, I think it's all inclusive, I think. Across this bridge, going up now from memory, there's a road that goes all the way along there. That takes you to the London Dungeons. We had that London Dungeons, very noisy with the traffic. In the lifts there. There's actually people on the floor down there in the muddy silt. What they're doing down there, I don't know. Mental.
Doors building.
Really?
Doors building.
Just press 0, otherwise you don't move anyway.
Look at the dead bodies.
So we're now looking for the engine rooms. Any idea where the entrance might be? Souvenirs, engine rooms and shop. So I'm guessing this is the way to the engine rooms. And engine rooms, that would be the old coal ones, wouldn't it? Open up those two little things there, just shove your coal in. Pressure up there, pressure reaches a certain bit and up goes the bridge. There's a shovel. I might need that to dig myself a hole later. Amount of walking appointments that'll do today. Oh look, there's some coal in there. It's not really coal, it's all right, but you can see that's what they're doing, shoveling the coal in there. Delivering, don't forget the toilet, it says delivering the coal. Really cool, isn't it? This is the original mechanism to get the lift moving, to get the bridge moving, not the lift, the bridge. Shows how it works then. The Yogi writing.
1933.
Very green, isn't it? It's Asda green, isn't it? It's the Tower Bridge Experience, as sponsored by Asda. Water pump. Of what we've just been on. Tower Bridge. Now we'll scoot a bit over here. Because now you've got a nice view of Tower of London. Yeah, oh, there's a big. Oh, look at that one. So to a point you can walk down, you haven't got to go into the Tower London, you can actually walk just down the side, so you can have your selfie pictures with Tower Bridge behind you, and then that is the City of London all behind you. So the gherkin, cheese graters there somewhere, the walkie-talkie, a little cruiser. That may even take you to Greenwich, because Greenwich is right down that way, I think. I'm getting confused, I'm sure, yeah, Greenwich Park is that way, which is the Royal Observatory of Greenwich. So that's probably a pleasure cruise which takes you from Westminster, potentially, which is that way, to Greenwich, which is that way. Very pretty, isn't it? Very pretty bridge.